Question number 3 is called the Flippant Juror. A 3-man jury has 2 members, each of whom independently has a probability P of making the correct decision, and a third member who flips a coin for each decision. Majority rules. A 1-man jury has a probability P of making the correct decision. Which jury has the better probability of making the correct decision? So we know in the 3-man jury, member 1 and 2 have probability P of making the correct decision. And member 3's probability of making the correct decision is 1/2 because he flips a coin. Now our job here is to determine on which events does the 3-man jury make the correct decision. So because the problem tells us that majority rules, only 2 of them have to make the correct decision for the 3-man jury to all make the correct decision. Let's let case 1 represent all 3 of them making the correct decision. We can multiply these probabilities together because they're each independent. Let's let case 2 represent the time where the first 2 make the correct decision and member 3 makes the incorrect decision. Case 3 represents member 1 and 3 making the correct decision and member 2 making the incorrect decision. And case 4 represents member 1 making the incorrect decision and 2 and 3 making the correct decision. These 4 cases represent the ways the jury can make the correct decision. Let's sum these up to find the total probability the jury makes the correct decision. As you can see, when we sum these up, we get the probability P of the jury making the correct decision. When we compare this to the 1-man jury who also has probability P of making the correct decision, we see that both juries have equal probability of making the correct decision. So essentially, neither jury has a better probability than the other. Thank you.